Today is another oil change Friday, the 13th, and it's in October. But anyway, so right now I'm on U.S. Highway 301. This is not 301 Boulevard. There is a 301 Boulevard in Manatee County, but this is not it. That's a different 301. There's a multiple 301s and multiple 41s in Manatee County. I'm like, whatever. So today is October 12th. No. Friday, October 13th, 2023. So right now I'm on U.S. Highway 301 and I'm getting ready to get on. The traffic looks like it's flowing pretty good on Interstate 75. So I'm going to get on the interstate here, go down to the next exit, which is exit 220. Take a right on State Road 64 and go to the Wawa. And the Valvoline is on the same piece of property. So I wonder if I'll get, today is the 13th, it's the middle of the month. So I don't know, it's Friday. It's like anything can happen. So I don't know if I'm gonna get right in or not. But whatever. I'll just hang out there if I gotta. I don't care. So let's see if I get right in today or not. Ooh, looks like all the bays are open today. Oh, sweet. There are 2 people in there. So I'll just wait right here in the middle until somebody tells me to go someplace. Pretty good. What's up, brother?
What's up, man? Looking solo change?
Yes.
What change?
Yeah.
Anything else?
Just the 21-point inspection that you guys always do.
I gotcha. Alright, let me have you pull up to Bay 3.
Not a problem. Cool, thanks. Get right in today. That's pretty cool. It's 11:41 a.m. right now, by the way. So this is really important. Watch this guy. Whatever this guy says to do, I do. Pretty good. How's it going, brother? Dang, they got you up here working on the computer today. They don't got you down on the pit.
Oh, no, I was down there. I just came up to check in. What's the current mileage on the vehicle?
517,314.
Do you mind if I open the door to scan a bit?
Not at all. Do what you gotta do, brother.
How have you been?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Driving?
Yes. Same old, same old. Yes, 35 in the front, 33 in the back, please. Cool.
Stick with the same kind of oil as usual?
Absolutely.
Same thing every time.
Right? So they got you down in the pit again?
It's usually just based on the day, to be honest. I'm
Oh,
a
really?
manager now. I actually got...
You are?
Yeah, so I can kind of do everything. I just
Dang.
down there because I can listen to music, do whatever. And have you turn the vehicle back on, turn the headlights on real quick? Make
The
sure
vehicle's on. Headlights on.
Flash the high beams for me. And the left turn. And the right. And then step on your brakes for me. Perfect. Your lights are looking good.
Can you Thanks, bro. 2 weeks. Okay, so the oil change Friday thing is done. Let me upload this and write this off real quick. Because if I don't, I forget. This is Rideshare Sean again. It is Friday the 13th, October 13th, 2023. Ooh. I went to Chipotle over here on the right earlier because they were giving back like 1.3 more points and a spooky badge. I remember it like, I think it was 2019, maybe 2020 Halloween. I don't know, but like I picked somebody up. I was driving in Pinellas. I picked somebody up. And I was like, because like when I pick people up, like I look at them through the windshield, and that is it. Once they get into my car, I never even look at them. I don't care. But I pull up to this place, and I was gonna pick up this dude, right? I picked him up, and we were driving. I looked in the rearview mirror, and you want to talk about going hard. I looked at the back, I looked at my rearview mirror, and this person had hair like under his eyes. I mean, like, I was like, wait a second. I just picked up this guy. He was a human. I saw with my own eyes. I'm looking in the rearview mirror, and this guy is looking like an animal for real. I mean, he had teeth, everything. I was like, dang, dude. And I turned around and looked at him. I don't do that. I don't look at these people. And he was dressed up for Halloween, and I didn't even know it was like Halloween night. He looked really, really good. I used to pick up people all the time. I pick up people all the time on Halloween. And the best costumes are the ones that, like, is that? And then they're like, yeah, that's what that is. I mean, I'm like, it takes me, like, I can't even figure it out. And it's like, I don't want to ask the person. I just don't know. I end up asking them, though. And they're like, yeah, I'm such and such. Like that person in my backseat, he said, yeah, I'm a werewolf for Halloween. I didn't even know it was Halloween. I mean, it's like, that's how much I don't talk to people. I don't talk to anybody. I mean, I do look at the calendar. All that I know is that, you know, when everything is paid and then the next month moves over, that's all I know. Like for holidays and stuff, I really don't know. I mean, you know, if they're big holidays, I do. But like Halloween, I call Halloween a fake holiday because it is actually a holiday, and it's like a really good holiday, but it's not a federal holiday. And I saw on Facebook one time, this chick said she posted a meme. She had done some research and said on Friday the 13th, you're a whole lot more likely to bang than to be murdered, which is a really good thing to post, because like everybody is scared about Friday the 13th. That is hilarious. Hello, pretty good. How are you?
Brandy will be down in a minute.
Awesome.
We got stuck in traffic getting back here. Sorry about that.
Not a problem.
Hope you weren't like waiting too long.
No.
Just call them. Get your ass in there. Alright, ow.
Cool.
Hello.
Hello.
Good job, B. I was just calling you.
I saw, yeah.
I remember I was picking up two couples one time.
Yeah.
And the girls were in the car ready to go, and the guys were in that. And I mean, for like a long time, I'm like, okay, we need to get the show on the road for one. For two, you guys are making men look really bad here.
That is so funny.
Yeah, you're not holding up your man card very well.
Yeah.
So
Not a problem. Have a good one. Thank
Hey,
you.
thank you. You won the music award too for the best music so far.
Thanks.
Oh, that was fabulous. Thank you.
Have a good one. Thank you. This is Rideshare Sean. I make it a point not to get in any of my riders' business. at all ever. Like sometimes, like, you know, a man and a woman will get in the car and the woman will be crying. As long as nobody is touching each other, I'm good. You know, she can yell at him, he can yell at her. I don't even care about anybody yelling. I just care about people putting their hands on each other. As long as nobody's done that, and that has never happened. As long as nobody is doing that, we're good to go. I just mind my own business. If they ask me something, I'll be like, huh? I wasn't paying attention, sorry. So I don't get in the middle of it. I just mind my own business. Anyway, these people were getting dropped off to a wedding on Friday the 13th. Now, I would say that, you know, having children and getting married are probably the two worst things that a human can do in their lives. Now, some people have children, some people get married, have great things happen, and they live together happily ever after, and some people don't. I just don't think it's a good idea to gamble it. Some people think that's okay. I don't know. And society pushes you into getting married and pushes you into having kids, and as it is, it's very hard. But getting married on Friday the 13th, I just don't understand why anybody would do that. I thought really hard about it. And maybe they just want to get like the bad juju out of the way. Because next year, like the 13th will fall on a Thursday. I have no idea why anybody would do that. But I definitely would not. If I ever got married, I would never get married again. But Friday the 13th would be definitely out of the picture, out of the question for sure.
Hello?
How are you? Pretty good. How you doing? It's 9 to 5. Pardon me?
The word obscene.
What about it? Is there a code that I need?
I think so.
Right here? Alright, cool. Thank you. Whenever I hear a rider say, you could just let me off right here, I'm like, hey! And I just stop and I drop them off right there. I don't even play the radio with it. If they say drop them off right there, I do it.
If you knew what I knew, you could get 10 million subscribers within 6 months. You want as a creator comes from making the best videos possible and thumbnails.
Suck. You think your videos are good, but they suck. You know, they just do. And the sooner you learn how to make good, great videos that people actually want to watch, the sooner you'll get views. I think is the biggest takeaway. Because like when I was 14, I thought my videos were the best in the world. They weren't. They're terrible. Many people are making way better videos than me, but I didn't think that. And I think, you know, to be successful, you kind of have to have a little bit of that ego where you're like, you know, my content's great. You got to believe in it. But also like, if you have sub 1,000 subscribers, like there's a good probability your videos just suck. They just do. And you need to make hundreds of videos or 100 videos. I don't know. It depends on the difficulty of your videos. Improve something every time and just like get to the point where they don't. When you make good content, you'll blow up. It's not the algorithm. It's not anything. It's just like me and most people who are in my position, you just make terrible videos. And that's okay because you got to make a bunch of videos and improve over time to be great. Like you don't just pick up a baseball and become an MLB level athlete within a year. You know, it takes many years, and YouTube's kind of the same way.